Nhajong YouTube and happy holidays. Eric, I accept your challenge. You wanted a sounder song? I'm gonna choose Ipamayo. Thanks for the suggestion, Sambird. This reading is dedicated to all those out there who will be traveling far for the holidays. I hope you enjoy. Ipamayo malito dukulu. Utenya toji tsaka. Juya shao hotjua. How nine da telephone. Oh baby. Tatu malito bokadwa. Totua zhao. Kunjika. Halu phone. Galu shua. Gaji chapla. Sapoka. Don't do shia. Jeshi ho tao. Juju. Oh baby. Kai kushe ku yo only cha. Kusaya tua joka. Yanda jua tua poka. Galu shia. Te chin cha. O janu yo chi jong lu shia sali ka sa tao. La. Ku yo ta ka. Ku ma ta ka. It doesn't get any more sounder than that. But now it's your turn, Eric. But let's make it interesting this week. This week, I want commenters to suggest songs down below, and you must choose from them. And if not, you can choose any song that you want. You have a week. Good luck.
Nhajong YouTube.
Wait for the wind to stop. Wait for the wind.
Thank you all for continuing to watch our videos. Please subscribe and leave a comment. And if you see us around this holiday season, please stop us and say hi. We look forward to meeting each and every one of you. And until then, Shiji Doa.